Hello student, today we study about the mitochondria and structure of mitochondria in very short. Mitochondria are membrane-bound organelles present in the cytoplasm of eukaryotic cells that produce energy in the form of ATP, and it was first discovered by Kolliker in 1857 and later coined by Richard Altman as a bioblast. Bender renamed it as mitochondria. Basically, they are the powerhouse of the cell. Mitochondria actually called the powerhouse of the cell because it is inside the mitochondria. The energy needed by the cell is produced, and the energy is the one which is very essential for the cell. It makes cell alive. The term mitochondria is derived from the Greek word mitos and chondrion, which means thread and granules-like structure. Mitochondrial diagram. They have their own DNA and ribosome. Because of their own DNA, they can replicate and reproduce, and because of their ribosomes, they make their own proteins. The mitochondria is a double membrane rod-shaped structure found in both plant and animal cells. Size ranges from 0.5 to 1 micrometer in diameter, and it have both outer membrane and inner membrane and a gel-like material called the matrix. A space is present between the outer and inner membrane. Outer and inner membrane is made up of proteins and phospholipids. Outer membrane covers the surface of the mitochondria and has a large number of special proteins known as prions, and it is freely permeable to ions and energy molecules like the ADP and ATP molecules. Cristae is the folds of the inner membrane, and it is a finger-like structure that helps in increasing the surface area inside the organelles. It helps in the production of ATP molecules. Mitochondrial matrix. It is a viscous fluid that contains a mixture of enzymes and proteins. And as I discussed in the previous slide, mitochondria has its own DNA and its own ribosomes. And the enzyme present in the matrix play an important role in the synthesis of ATP molecules, which is needed by the cell. Functions of mitochondria mainly in the production of ATP, regulation of immunity, calcium balance, stem cell regulation, and in cell death and renewal. Thank you for listening me. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel for more videos.